Now let's see how fast it will be able to boil 20 ounces of water. I'm starting my first fire with the Solo Stove Lite. The unboxing and its build quality is at the end of this video. Very simple design, a little top. I'll load it up. It has the classic double wall design with vents at the bottom as well as on the top, which is really optimized for the airflow. With the lid placed on top, the smoke will get trapped and mixed up with the air and resulting a complete burn. And there will be no smoke when the fire is going. When overfueling, there will be smoke, because now the smoke will no longer be trapped under the ring for a secondary burn. To increase efficiency, it's actually better to add less fuel. So I'm using a little stick to push them down to the bottom. Adding one more. Now let's see how fast it will be able to boil 20 ounces of water. This cup is from Stanley. Put the lid on. The time is now 10:37. Let's see how fast it boils. It also has two drinking cups. There's a locking mechanism. Slide it down so it will not unfold easily. Safety feature, a lid. It heats up really quickly and the stainless steel finish gets black smoke everywhere. However, it can be easily cleaned later. The flame is so interesting to look at. I think it's ready. Almost ready. The time is now 10:48. About 10 minutes later, I think the water is boiling. So it took about 10 minutes. I'm adding more fuel. Yeah, if I was adding this earlier, I think it will be a bit faster. The fire is almost dead due to lack of fuel. So it burned through about 3 little logs like this. Adding little twigs may be more efficient. This is too big probably for this little solo stove. Now it is completely boiled. Adding a little bit of little twigs really helped with the fire. Very efficient. So 10 minutes, give it a take, to boil 20 ounces of water with a little solo stove. It is not very hot to the touch. It's actually cold. So this handle is very well designed. You need to be very careful. This is boiled water. About 2 cups and a bit left. They stack up perfectly. Put them back inside the cup. Put the lid back. Fold it. Keep in mind there's a safety feature so it will not fold on you. Push it back, then squeeze and fold up. The black goes off easily. They're just sort of like dust. So give it a nice wash. Should be good to go again. This is the Solo Stove Lite version. Only weighs 9 ounces. Let's take a look. Good for 1 to 2 person. Interesting. And works with the alcohol burner. I love the design of the solo stove. Have the solo stove bonfire. This is my second solo stove. Interesting, so compact. Look, there is a carrying bag, of course, stickers, user manual. Well, you may pause and read this user manual. Let's take a look at the main unit. This is called the cooking ring and secondary burn from these little holes. This is the part that holds the fuel, and hot air gets even hotter from here and gets preheated. All the smoke gets completely burned when trapped by this little cooking ring on top. And when not in use, just fold it down like so. Interesting. I can't wait to try this one on. Yeah, very simple concept. Stainless steel. Beautiful design. This part is not removable. Nothing is removable except the cooking ring. When it folds down, it's really compact. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Hope you find this review helpful.